Welcome to our video. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, boost your confidence, and sound more natural, you're in the right place.
Hi students! In this video, we're going to do a fun and useful activity called Find the Differences. This activity will help you improve your speaking, vocabulary, and attention to detail. You will see two similar pictures, but they are not exactly the same. Your job is to look carefully, spot the differences, and describe them using English sentences. To compare two pictures effectively, we can look at different aspects such as colors, sizes, quantities, appearances, positions, clothes, actions, and even the weather. Now let's explore each aspect together. For the colors, feel free to use basic ones like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, dark blue, light blue, and other colors. To describe the pictures, just follow the given structure. Here, object is the thing or person you want to talk about, and color is the color you see in the picture. Now, let's look at the two pictures below. Try using the structure to describe them. In picture A, the clock is purple, but in picture B, the clock is blue. When it comes to size, you can use different adjectives to describe height, length, or how big or small something is, like big, small, long, short, and so on. To describe the pictures, just follow the given structure. Here, object is the thing or person you want to talk about, and size shows how big, small, short, or long that object is. For example, in picture A, the lamp is big, but in picture B, the lamp is small. To describe how much of something there is, you can use words that show quantity, like 1, 2, 10, a few, many, and more. Please use the given structure. Here, we use there is to list or talk about singular nouns or uncountable nouns. Meanwhile, there are is used for plural nouns or countable nouns. For example, in picture A, there are 4 books, but in picture B, there are 2 books. To talk about appearance, you can use both of the given structures. Here, object is the person you're describing. Adjective tells what they look like. For example, pretty, handsome, old, young. And hairstyle that features are words like beard, long hair, curly hair, etc. For example, in picture A, the girl has got brown hair, but in picture B, the girl has got black hair. When talking about position, you can use prepositions like on, under, between, in front of, behind, to show where one object is in relation to another. In the sample structure, Object 1 is what you're describing, Object 2 is the thing or person it's related to, and preposition of place is the word that tells where it is. For example, in picture A, the cat is under the table, but in picture B, the cat is on the table. When talking about clothes, try to remember some basic words like skirt, dress, socks, jeans, etc. Let's look at the sample structure. Object means the person you want to describe, and clothing item is what they're wearing. For example, in picture A, the boy is not wearing a hat, but in picture B, the boy is wearing a hat. Using action verbs like play, run, swim, drink, etc. is also a common way to compare two different pictures. You can apply the given structure with object referring to the person or animal you want to describe, and the verb in the ing form indicating the action that character is doing. For example, in picture A, the girl is drawing, but in picture B, the girl is reading. Another thing you can look at when comparing the two pictures is the weather. You can use a very simple structure. Start with "it is," and then add a weather adjective to describe what's happening in the picture. For example, in picture A, it is sunny, but in picture B, it is cloudy. Now, it's time to practice. Let's follow these 3 steps together. First, look at the pictures carefully. Second, observe the parts highlighted in red of the pictures. And third, compare the differences by using the given structures. Feel free to pause the video so you have more time to look closely and think of your answer.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you next time.